G'day, Mark Allen for RV Daily Magazine. I hate these hoses. I'm sick of getting to campsite, trying to untangle them all, and everyone laughing at me. And then when I leave, trying to fit it all back into the bag. It's hopeless. So many times, I've threatened these hoses with the axe. But I've got one last-ditch effort to try and make life easier for myself. I've gone and bought a 3-pack of hose bags. One for the drinking water, one for the grey water, one for the power cable. I'm going to give it a go. If that doesn't work, it's out with a sharpening stone. I've got to say, with a bit of practice, this hose bag is pretty easy to use, and I tell you what, it's saved me an awful lot of frustration with curled up hoses. I've managed to get half a hose in here so far. It's a 20-metre length. There's heaps of room left. I'll keep putting the rest in, see how we go. There you go, there's the end of the hose. You'll note the water's also drained out at the same time. Same goes for the grey water hose. There you have it. I've got my drinking water hose, my grey water hose, all perfectly neat and tidy. It's going to fit in the same place every single time I want to store it. Now, I'm going to go and chop some wood.